Marami kasi dito sa mga youth basketball, yung mga, again, yung mga tinuturuan natin. Magaling pero tamad mag-practice.
As a coach, hindi lang tayo concerned sa mga winning plays, but pati sa safety at well-being ng mga players natin. That's why we only recommend equipment na affordable, effective, at safe para sa kanila.
Hi mga kabola, this is Coach R, your basketball analyst and sports equipment reviewer. Ano ba talaga yung nakikita ko na that separates ordinary athletes from what we call super athletes like Alex and Yuka? Talent-wise naman pare-pareho na yan sa basketball, yung mga kino-coach natin. Magagaling naman lahat yan. Pero anong nag-iiba? It's the mental game. Maraming mga players walang mental game. And to succeed at the highest level, you really need your mental game. So introduce ko yung Mamba mentality dito. As you know, Kobe introduced that, and it really applies to all sports. Not just tennis, not just basketball, not just golf. Even in life in general, at work. So what are the concepts of the Mamba mentality? It's really playing with passion and purpose, to make a better version of yourself. So there's no substitute for hard work, and you have to put in the extra work. Marami kasi dito sa mga youth basketball, yung mga, again, yung mga tinuturuan natin. Magaling pero tamad mag-practice, or sometimes nagpa-practice pero walang gana. So kung ganun lang, wag na lang, because you have to embrace that culture. Sabi nga ni Kobe, you learn through practice, and pag nasa game ka na, ready ka na, because alam mo na ang gagawin, na-practice mo na yon, and na-master mo na yung skills na kailangan mo to overcome obstacles. Pag nasa game ka na, mati ka na. Kahit ano man i-bato sa'yo, alam mo na anong gagawin. So that's a lesson, again, for young athletes. Don't just focus on the physical game. Pag nagba-basketball, puro shooting lang. But focus also on the mental game. Gas-gas man sabihin, trust the process and try always to be a better version of yourself. Not just in sports, but in everything you do.